Okay, I just want to express how grateful I am that so many of you are following our videos and sharing your feedback. We recently passed the milestone of 10,000 subscribers, which is a lot more than we ever expected from a small channel about such a niche subject. So thank you all for being here and for being part of our discovery trip through higher math. To celebrate the 10K milestone, I am organizing a Q&A. So feel free to ask your questions in the comments below this video. If the answer is short enough, I will just put it right there on your comment. So if you want to read some answers, head down to the comment section and enjoy. But if the answers are longer, or if they require some visual explanation, I will collect them all in a separate video that we will publish in the not too distant future. You can ask me anything, whether it's a math-related question, or a question about the production of the videos, or even something more personal. As long as it doesn't get too crazy, I will gladly respond. And in the meantime, we have reached the starting point of a brand new series where we will explore matrix representations of groups. This is a cool and rich topic, but slightly more difficult than usual. It brings two big domains of math together, group theory and linear algebra. As always, you can already binge the entire series on Patreon. In fact, if you become a patron, you can already watch the next series after that, which gives a short but sweet introduction to logic and type theory and category theory. And if that isn't enough for you, we have even started the next series after that one, where we explore one-forms and tensor algebra. So you see that you get a lot of added value and a huge head start by becoming a patron. Thank you for your support, and I'm looking forward to your serious and silly questions below.